Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream caramel without an oven. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create this classic dessert right on your stovetop. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth, creamy custard and a beautiful, golden caramel topping. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this delightful, no-fuss recipe that tastes absolutely incredible. First, let's create that essential caramel layer. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 2 tablespoons of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat without stirring until it turns a beautiful amber color. Once it's golden brown, immediately and carefully pour the hot caramel into the bottom of your ramekins. Work quickly, as it sets fast. Next, we'll prepare the silky smooth custard. In a bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1 1/2 cups of whole milk and 1/2 cup of heavy cream until warm, but not boiling. Slowly pour the warm milk mixture into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Now for the magic. Place your filled ramekins into a large pot with about 1 inch of hot water. Cover the pot tightly and steam over medium-low heat for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the custard is just set but still slightly wobbly in the center. Once cooked, let them cool, then chill in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before unmolding and serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.